Hello, my name is Coach Gabe Kuhn, head men's soccer coach at Alfred State. I'm entering my second season and we're continuing to build off the standard we have set last fall within our culture of the program. That includes in the classroom and on and off the field with how we do things. We compete at the Division III level, participating in a very competitive Allegheny Mountain Conference. Interested recruits, here's what I'm looking for in players. Players that love the game of soccer, strong work ethic, have a strong soccer IQ, knowledge of the game, have a great attitude. Also guys that have experience playing at a high school varsity soccer or club soccer level. Players that are good teammates, players that are very coachable and are willing to learn. And lastly, players that will work hard on the field as they do in the classroom. We are a fairly new Division III program on the rise, and if you want to be a part of something new and be a part of something very special, then this is the perfect place for you. Thank you for your interest in the program, and we hope to see you here next fall. Go Pioneers!